Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, a try-on, and a review on the Scooby-Doo X Wet and Wild. With that being said, let's get this started. So the first product we have is the Scooby-Doo X Wet and Wild Scooby-Doo Where Are You? Eye and Face Palette, and it looks like this. Then we have the Wet and Wild Scooby-Doo Ghost, and it looks like this. Let's go ahead and open them. Oh, this comes with a brush. Wait, I didn't notice that. This is cute. The packaging is really cute, guys. Look at that glitter, guys. Let's go ahead and open the eyeshadow and face palette. It does have this right here. It does have a little diamond at the bottom that says not for use around the eyes. So do not use those shadows around the eyes. It's supposed to be for your face. Look at that, guys. Look how pretty it is. And it says not to use around the eyes. Where are you supposed to use it? So now I'm going to go ahead and try it out. This is the final look, you guys. What do you guys think? I am so excited about this. I really just want to start off with the rating 10 out of 10. Can you guys see that glitter? That shimmer? It's beautiful, you guys. I'm gonna get a little bit of this and try to use it a little bit as blush. Now I want to use this one. It looks white, but it's green. It reminds me of like the monsters that they catch that glow in the dark. A little bit of the green on my lips as well. These are really cute packaging. Not much fallout apart from this green one right here. These glitters I like. They're not the ones that are very liquidy or very runny like the gel ones. These are very sturdy and nice. It reminds me of the other Revolution. It was a long time ago, like the Alexa's Revolution that had a little bit of these that are very pretty. Look at that glitter, guys. Look how it stayed, and you can use as blush, highlighter. Use your imagination. I put some on my lips. These other ones I use that it says in the back not to use near the eyes. I used them in my eyes and everything. Now, if I'm being picky, the one thing that I would have liked for this palette to have is a mirror. That's the only thing if I'm really being picky, but that's just me because I like mirrors in my palettes. Even without the mirror, this palette is awesome. This brings us to the end of the video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.